Welcome to How To Mechanics. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your engine oil in a Champion generator. Start up the generator. We're going to let it run for about 10 minutes. Remove the side access panel. Inside, there's an oil tube. We're going to pull that down. Grab yourself an oil pan. Remove the cap, and we're going to drain the oil. And then we're going to tuck the drain tube back into the engine bay. Add a half a quart of 5W30 full synthetic engine oil. Reinstall the dipstick. And right now, we're at the very top of the dipstick, so we are perfect. Reinstall the side cover. And with that, you're ready to go.